and ওটা দেখা যায় না।
আচ্ছা, ক্লাস শেষে এগুলো অ্যাড্রেস করতেছি। স্বাগতম সবাইকে, এটি 323 ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল পাওয়ার ইলেকট্রনিক্স এর আরো একটি ক্লাসে। আচ্ছা, তো the topic we are in is DC to DC converter. So far we have understand the basics of DC to DC converter. We have understand one of the types of converter, which was buck converter. And in that converter, we have understand that it is a step down converter, which implies that it is used to in order to settle down the voltage a bit. Okay, it is we use it to get the value down of that voltage. Today, as we have already discussed a step down converter, so it is only possible for us to get a topic which will step up the voltage. So today we will discuss the topic which is boost DC to DC converter. By the word boost, you have already understand that it has to be a step up converter. Everyone listening to my voice and watching the PDF.
Yes,
PDF
sir.
Okay, thank you. The essence of DC to DC converter is very simple. The essence behind it is that we have to know the inductor voltage across the whole cycle. So I hope you guys remember what is the duty cycle is, what is T on is, what is T off is, etc. If you guys forget the duty cycle, I just want you to remember that there is some switch is on for some time, then off for some time. Okay, the switch is up to the time that is switch is on is termed as T on. From 0 to T on, then switch is off. The duty cycle happens to be the T1 divided by T. So duty cycle will always be a value which will be less than 1. It has to be a value which is less than 1. Now we directly go to the direction, and there was a formula which is very important over the cycle. VLDT equals to 0 to T. VLDT equals to 0. We have understood this formula very well in the last class. These are the essence of converter. If you know these two things, then you can solve any converter. Now just to the circuit part. This is a boost DC to DC converter, which is a step up converter. Now here you can see there is a DC source. Here is my inductor. Here is my rectifier. This is actually the switch. Okay, sir, we know switch is drawn like this. So this is manual switch, but we need a switch who will automatically operate with the gate pulse. Okay, so this kind of switches, BJT, MOSFET, IGBT, etc. Though I didn't go through the switching devices yet, I will go through it, but now we'll cover the DC to DC converter, which is very important topic. Now there are two parts of the cycle. One is the on state, one is the off state. So whenever switch is on from 0 to T on, what happens? Switch is on. That means this is a closed circuit. That means the circuit will be something like this. Circuit will be something like this. So it is very important to understand and for the intuition. Okay, buchata je ami mouse er cursor e জিনিসটা বোঝাটা খুব জরুরি. So this is my circuit. Now if I go to the loop KVL, then it is entering in the minus. So V in plus VL equals to 0. Okay, total voltage across closed loop is 0. So minus V in plus VL equals to 0, then VL equals to VIN, V in, input voltage. Then when switch is off, that means that it is open circuit. It is no longer here. So this part is gone. Then the whole circuit is, look at my mouse cursor, here, 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 here. This whole circuit is for mine now. Previously when switch is closed, the circuit was up to this. As switch is open now, it is gone. The circuit is like this. Okay. Now if we put the KVL on, then minus Vn plus VL, then here it is the voltage across this filter is plus V naught. It is the V naught. It is maybe unclear. So whenever you are writing the lecture for you, just make it clear. This is plus minus V naught. So here it is V naught. Okay, so minus Vn plus VL plus V naught equals to 0. Look at here. Very simple, very easy, very straightforward. There is no rocket science behind it. হ্যাঁ বলেন বলেন।
সেটা হলো স্যার যে যখন ওই যে গেটটা মানে অন অফ যেটাই থাকুক না কেন স্যার, কারেন্ট তো স্যার ফিল্টার দিয়ে পাস হবে স্যার, আরএল দিয়ে পাস হবে। তো স্যার যখন গেটটা স্যার মানে বলতেছেন যে স্যার অন, তখন ফিল্টার দিয়ে কেন কারেন্ট যেতেছে না, খালি ওই ভি মানে
এখানে দেখেন যে কোনো whenever nature of current is দেখেন আমি বলি আপনাদের, সুইচ অন মানে কি এরকম না?
জি স্যার।
এরপর হলো ফিল্টার। সুইচ ক্লোজ। এখন কারেন্ট কি, কারেন্ট কিভাবে যায়? কারেন্ট গোজ ইন দ্য শর্টেস্ট পাথ। ঠিক আছে, আপনার সামনে দুইটা পথ আছে, একটা পথে ধরেন বাধা আছে আর একটা পথে কোনো বাধা নাই, আপনি কোন পথে যাবেন বলেন?
যে পথে বাধা নাই স্যার।
বাধা নাই, তো কারেন্টও সেম। কারেন্ট এখানে আসার পর দেখে তার কাছে দুইটা পথ আছে, কিন্তু এই সামনের পথে দেখে অনেক বাধা, এই পথে দেখেন কোনো বাধা নাই, তখন কারেন্ট এমনি যায়। বুঝছেন? এদিকে সুইচ অন অবস্থায় কারেন্ট এখানে যাবেই না। আমি কি বুঝছেন কথাটা? ভালো ছিল মানে এই জন্যই আমি এটা মানে কোশ্চেন ভালো ছিল, বাট এটা হলো মানে বেসিক আর কি, একদম কারেন্টের বেসিক। অনেকেরই মনে হয়তো কোশ্চেন ছিল, ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে আশা করি। সো এটা এই কারণেই যায় না, বুঝছেন? আচ্ছা তাহলে প্রসিড করি। হ্যাঁ, তো নাও ওই যে ওভার দ্য সাইকেল VL dt 0 to t equals to 0. Now 0 to t we can chop it in two parts, from 0 to t on and from t on to t. We can chop it into from 0 to t on and from t on to t. So this will be Vn dt, because the VL part here, whenever switch is on, VL part here, VL equals to VIN, and switch is off, VL equals to VIN minus V naught. So VL dt is equals to 0 to t on Vin into dt and t on to t when switch is off, Vn minus V naught dt. I'm just replacing these two values, here. So if you understand the pattern, then it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, if you don't understand the pattern, then you have to memorize, which is cumbersome, and I guess in these circuits it is somewhat idiotic. There is no need for memorizing, because you are understanding the pattern. Switch is on, switch is off over the cycle. This is the pattern of DC to DC converter. Now we do the integration. I have gone through the integration in the last class in details, how dt is t on. I hope it is no longer needed now. Okay, এটা আমি আশা করি এখন দরকার নেই। So Vn equals to t on minus 0, so it will be t on, and Vn minus V naught into t minus t on equals to 0. Now simple basic calculations from this line to this line, and কেমনে লাইন থেকে লাইনে আসছে মানে এখানে অনেক কিছু করছে আর কি। সাপোজ আমি একটু মুখে মুখে বলি, whenever this term is going to the right hand direction, that means there will be a minus. In order to mitigate the minus, we have written t on minus t. কি করলাম স্যার দেখাই, অনেকে তো বুঝে গেছেন, না বুঝলে সমস্যা নেই। দেখেন সাপোজ এটা দিয়ে দেখেন t minus t on, suppose it is 0, it is x, t plus suppose 4. Whenever I'm taking it in the right hand direction, then what will happen? 0 equals to t plus 4, t minus t on. If I want to change the direction to positive, then what will happen? T plus 4 plus t on minus, because I multiplied it by minus. Okay, so this one and this one both are same. So that is what it is done here. We have take it in the right hand direction. Okay, then from the right hand direction I have take the v in the to the right hand direction again, or the left hand direction, whatever you may choose. As it is multiplied, whenever it go to the opposite direction, it will be divided. Then the t on in is the in the above. So this is the basic algebra. Okay, if you do it at your home, it's supposed to understand. If you don't, then come to me again the next class. If I waste time here, it is, I don't think, convenient. This is simple algebra. Then I take the -1 in the both directions. Then what happened? By again some calculations, I get this term. Okay, I can get this term. There is some minus here. Then what they do? They divided both the numerator and denominator by t. So divided by t, they divided by t. Then here comes the 1, t1 by t minus 1. Okay, now why I did do it, sir? Because I want to express it with duty cycle, in terms of duty cycle. সবাই কি আমার কথা শুনতেছেন?
জি স্যার।
জি স্যার।
So I'm expressing it in duty cycle. So v naught by v in 1 by d minus 1. Okay, so this is my duty cycle, and again this minus term will be mitigated if I multiply both sides by minus a plus, and here it will be 1 minus d. Now if you remember, in the beginning of the class I have told you that the duty cycle is always less than 1. Duty cycle is always less than 1. So if 1 minus d, 1 minus d, d is less than 1. That means 1 by, suppose d is 0.8, 0.7. That means 1 minus 0.7. That means 1 by 0.3, which will be greater than what? 1 by 0.3 has to be greater than 1. That means here comes the analogy. 1 by 1 minus d greater than or equal 1. So if you cross multiply, v in will be there. That means v naught has to be greater than equal v in. Here is our achievement. We have achieved the formula of boost converter. The formula of boost converter, and we have seen that the output voltage is greater than the input voltage. So that is why it is known as the boost converter. Now, a wave shape is a tricky business here. The wave shape of currents are a tricky business here. Why you are saying it tricky? Both for on and off state, there is always a current. There is always a current across inductor. There is always a current across inductor. Now, for this circuit, if I draw here, একটু দেখেন, একটু হোল্ড করেন আমার সাথে, একটু হোল্ড করবেন। আমি আর ওই রাখলাম না, জাস্ট সুইচ দিয়ে দিলাম, একই কথা। This one is filter. Now this one is V. Here the tricky part is that this is the VI. So the current I am getting here is the input current. The current I am getting here is the IL. The current I am getting here is the I naught. Now whenever I am drawing the wave shape, there will be three parts. One is IL, one is II, one is suppose I naught. Suppose how did I draw here? To hold korben. No problem. Suppose this is the wave shape of IL. Okay, suppose this is my T, this is my T on, which is on off. So that means this portion is off. The fundamental or the very beautiful part is that current in this case, current IL and current II is the same. That means the input current will follow the inductor, but the output current you are not getting every time. Can anyone tell me in the comment section when I'm getting the output current? Is it in the on state or is it in the off state? Can anyone tell me where I'm getting the current?
Off state পাবেন
Current? Huh?
off state পাবেন স্যার
Off stateable. Very good. Off stateable. Because this portion is on during the off state. So the wave shape of output current will be something like so এই কারণে হলো এটা শেপটা এমন। I hope I make it very clear. হ্যাঁ বলেন।
প্রথম কোশ্চেনে না
কিছু বুঝি নাই কথা, একটু আবার বলবেন।
সুইচটা তো প্রথম কোশ্চেনে, সুইচটা প্রথম সাইডে না।
কোনটা প্রথম সাইডে? বাকি রাখি বুঝতেছি, আমি কথাটা বুঝতেছি না।
স্যার বলতেছে সুইচ কি প্রথম পোরশনে নাকি ওটা বলতেছে।
হ্যাঁ 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 সুইচ এখানে।
তাহলে স্যার যদি সুইচটা যদি আমার অন থাকে তাহলে তো সুইচটা কারেন্টটা আমার পুরো সার্কিট দিয়ে যাওয়ার কথা না।
এটা নিয়ে আমি একটু আগে বুঝাইলাম যে কেন
নাইমের কোশ্চেনে না বুঝাইলাম। জি স্যার,
যে কেন এই দিক দিয়ে যাবে। এই যে এটা এখানে যখন অন স্টেট তখন তো এটা শর্ট সার্কিট হয়ে যায়, তখন তো কারেন্ট
শর্ট পথে যায়,
শর্ট পথে যাবে যেখানে কোনো বাধা নাই। এখানে তো কোনো বাধা নাই, এদিক দিয়ে কারেন্ট চলে যাবে, এদিকে তো বাধা আছে। এটা তো আমি নাইমের কোশ্চেন একটু আগে ডিসকাস করলাম, আপনার রেকর্ডিং এ আবার একটু দেখে নিয়েন। আমি এটা একটু আগে ডিসকাস করছি। পুরো সার্কিটে যাবে না, কারণ হলো যে আমি আচ্ছা আবারও বলি যে দেখেন এখানে যখন অন থাকবে তখন তো এখানে শর্ট সার্কিট। সো কারেন্ট এদিকে এসে যখন কারেন্ট দুইটা পাথ দেখবে সে কোন পাথে যাবে? আপনার মতো স্যার দুইটা পাথেই তো যাবে, কিন্তু এখানে তো কোনো রেজিস্ট্যান্স নাই, এটা তো বাধাহীন। তো সে এখানেই চুজ করবে যাও, ওইদিকে সে আর যাবেই না। বুঝছেন? এটা কারশফের ইয়ার লটা মনে নাই আপনাদের, কারেন্ট ডিভাইডার রুল। এখানে তো রেজিস্ট্যান্স জিরো, তো অবশ্যই কি হবে? কারেন্ট জিরো হবে এখানে। সরি মানে এখানে তো রেজিস্ট্যান্স জিরো, তো ফুল কারেন্টটা এখানে দিয়ে যাবে, এদিকে হলো জিরো হবে। আচ্ছা, so this is why the wave shape of current is like this. Now if I ask you to find the inductor current whenever switch is on, then you guys remember this formula we have written in the previous class. IL equals to VL by L dt. VL is V in when switch is on, VL is V in minus V naught when switch is off. So these are the things we have discussed here, and you can see I naught equals to T minus T on by T equals to I in. This might seem difficult, but this is not very difficult to understand. You can understand it from here. When we are getting the I naught, if someone is asking you to express I naught in terms of II, whenever from T on to T, from T on to T, you are getting the I naught. From T on to T, you are getting the I naught. So I is equals to T minus T naught divided by T into II. এখানে এই কথাটাই লিখছি, T minus T on divided by T into I. So whenever if you are asked to express the output current in terms of input current, it will be T minus T on by divided by T into IN. Okay, I naught equals to 1 minus D into IN. So এই হলো গেল। The output power equals to P naught equals to V naught into I naught. You know the V naught, which এখানে পাইছি, you know the V naught here, V naught here, and you know the I naught from here. So you can see by multiplying this one term is gone. So V in into I in, so the output power is input power. So our derivation is absolutely correct. Okay. Now for the second half of our lecture, we will go to a special kind of converter, which is a buck boost converter. সবাই তো আমার কথা শুনতেছেন, রাইট?
জি স্যার।
buck boost converter. Buck boost converter is a special type of converter which is used for both step up and step down. Now, the circuit for buck boost converter is something like this. Now, again, we will have three parts to start the derivation: switch on, switch off, over the cycle. When here switch is on, when switch is on, what will be the circuit? The circuit will be like this. Switch on. Sir, why current will not go there? Because it is in the reverse bias direction. So current can't go there. So current will happen to be like this. And we have known in the first lecture that when switch is on, inductor is energized. When switch is off, inductor is de-energized. So in the first cycle, the inductor is energizing. Inductor shokti paitese. When switch is on from 0 to T on, I'm putting the KVL here. So minus V in plus VL equals to 0. So VL equals to V in. When switch is off from T on to T, what will happen? Then when switch is off, then that means it is open. There is nothing here. Then the inductor is energized. Now inductor will start to de-energized and provide the power to the filter and load. So now the circuit will be like this. Now it is in the forward bias direction. Look at my mouse cursor. So now I'm putting the KVL here. এখানে যদি আমি KVL টা put করি তাহলে দেখেন কি হয়, minus V0 plus VL equals to 0 অথবা plus VL minus V0 equals to 0. So VL equals to V0. This is very simple and straightforward and one dimensional. There is nothing complicated, absolutely nothing complicated. If you understand the KVL and the basic common sense of the circuits, then you will understand. Okay, these things are written. When the switch is on, the inductor will be charged. When the switch is off, inductor will be de-energized with current flowing in the same direction. Obviously, it has to be. So over the cycle from 0 to 2 VL dt, 0 to T VL dt. So it will be chopped in two parts: 0 to T on to T. So VL dt, VL dt. One of the VL will be replaced by V in. One of the VL will be replaced by V0. Then we do the simple integration: V in, T on minus 0, V0, T minus T0. Then what we do, we take this part in the right hand direction, and you can see T on has come first, T has come to the next because there is no minus sign. V0 equals to T on by T on minus T into V in. Then what we do, we divide the part, we divide the upper and the lower, numerator and denominator, by T, T on by T, T on by T, that T is gone. Then T on by T is replaced by D, which is my duty cycle. And you can see V0, what we have done here, we have put a minus in front of it and we have written 1 minus D. That is how it will be easier for us to understand. That is why we have written it here. V0 equals to D 1 minus D. Okay, because it will be actually negative value, whatever. So minus, that means that the output voltage will be rotated or reciprocal of the input voltage. Now, actually our derivation is complete. This is the expression for the buck boost converter. V0 equals to D by 1 minus D into V, and this is the expression for buck boost converter. And in this converter, when it is used as step up, because I have told you it's both step up and step down. So when it is used as step up, when it is used as step down, we will see it here. Whenever duty cycle is less than 50%, when the duty cycle is less than 50%, okay, that means the switch is off more time than the switch is on. When duty cycle is less than 0.5, that means 50%. Suppose D এখানে একদম ম্যাথ দিয়ে করা আছে. If D is equals to 0.4, then if we put the value 0.4 here, then what it will be? 0.4, 1 minus 0.4. 0.4 divided by 0.6, that means V0 will be less than V in. it has to be বাসায় বসে ক্যালকুলেটর দিয়ে করে দেখেন V0 will have to be less than Vin. If D is greater than 0.5, that means if my duty cycle is greater than 50%, if my duty cycle is greater than 50%, then suppose D is 0.6, then if I put 0.6 here, 0.6, 1 minus 0.6, 0.4, and whenever you will try to find it, you will see that it will be greater than 1. If it is greater than 1, that means V0 has to be greater than V in. Okay, so we can see the buck boost converter whenever the duty cycle is less than 50%, it will work as a step down. Whenever duty cycle is greater than 50%, it will work as a step up converter. So it is both buck and boost converter. Do you guys have any question related to this buck boost converter derivation? As everyone understood? সবাই কি বুঝছেন?
জি স্যার, বুঝতে পারছি।
আচ্ছা। Now comes the interesting part of the wave shape of the current. Wave shape of the current. Okay, এখন আমরা কারেন্টের ওয়েভ শেপ করব। আচ্ছা, সার্কিটটা একটু আঁকা লাগবে।
স্যার
বলেন।
স্যার এই যে লাস্ট ক্লাসের স্যার ইটা স্লাইডটা স্যার আর কি দেওয়া হয় নাই বিএলসি।
সব দেওয়া আছে বিএলসি তে, দেখে নিন।
স্যার বিএলসি তে
আচ্ছা, ক্লাস শেষে আলাপ করি। ক্লাস শেষে আলাপ করি।
আচ্ছা স্যার।
সময় আছে তো, আমি তো চলে যাচ্ছি না, একটু ক্লাস শেষে আলাপ করি। Acha. This one was my VL. So current going here is my IL. Current going here is my input current. Current going here is my suppose output current. Now, three part. This is my IL. Suppose this is like this. This is my T on. This is my T. This is my input current. This is my output current. Now, when we get the input current, when switch is on, so it will be like this. When we get the input current, when switch is on, so this is something like this. And when we get the output current, when switch is off. Okay, so etai ar kichu na. IL for the whole time, we get the II when switch is on, we get the I0 when switch is off. Now the main part is that the output current wave shape is like this, but you have taken it like this. So I am putting a minus here in order to less the complication. So this is my wave shape of my current. When you go through these two parts, you will understand that the voltage is replaced again. So this is the basic of the buck boost converter and the wave shape of buck boost converter. This is very important. It is a special converter which can be used both as the step up and step down. So I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you everyone. This is the end of the lecture.